All right, guys, we headed out to the honey hole this morning. Gonna see if we can pop a couple ducks. I haven't hunted this spot, not this particular stretch of it anyway, so shall see. Snow on the ground. Headed to the hole and do some duck hunting. Then we're gonna hit some trails. Should be a pretty good morning if we don't freeze to death. Wish us luck. Big boy rides. What you got for the people this morning?
I don't know it.
I don't know it. Get you some of that. Got the old Honda out here. It's the one we redid the motor on. Helped set the stood up. It seems like it's running pretty good. So good to see it. The spot, blind over there, heading to it. Let's go.
I did the ball drop, but I just ripped the first part of the New Year, guys. I wanted to share it with y'all.
You did what? You ripped what?
He ripped one. He farted. He shit his pants.
You did what? At the New Year's party?
New Year's party.
You did it. Oh, I might say he pooped at the New Year's party in his britches. That's why we can't kill no ducks. Man, stand in the middle of the mud hole. Shooting YouTube videos.
About that viewership. And this man can't never come with waiters. So we got to hunt on the edges and stuff.
Hate to see it. He talking about me.